1. Outdated color palettes. In my experience, one of the biggest mistakes people make is choosing overly dark or stark shades for their bathrooms. I once painted my small guest bathroom a deep, rich navy blue. I thought it would be dramatic and sophisticated. Instead, it felt like I was brushing my teeth in a cave. On the flip side, going too stark with your color choices can be equally problematic. An all-white bathroom might seem like a safe bet, but it can feel cold and clinical if not balanced with some warmth. I learned this the hard way when I renovated my first apartment bathroom. I went for a crisp, all-white look, thinking it would be timeless. Instead, it felt more like a hospital than a home. So, what's the solution? Consider opting for softer, more neutral tones that create a sense of warmth and space. You can always add pops of color through accessories like towels or artwork, which are much easier to change as trends evolve. 2. Overcomplicated smart technology. Now, don't get me wrong, I love a good gadget as much as the next person. The idea of a smart mirror that can display the weather forecast while I'm brushing my teeth sounds pretty cool. But when it comes to bathroom design, there's a fine line between convenient and complicated. I once visited a friend's newly renovated bathroom that was decked out with all the latest smart technology. Voice-activated faucets, a shower that remembered your preferred temperature, and even a toilet that played music. It was impressive for about 5 minutes. Then we realized that half the features weren't working properly, and my friend spent more time troubleshooting than actually enjoying her new bathroom. The problem with overly complicated smart technology in bathrooms is twofold. First, technology evolves rapidly. What seems cutting-edge today might be obsolete in a few years. Second, bathrooms are human environments which can be tough on electronics. This means more potential for malfunctions and costly repairs. Instead of going all out on smart features, consider incorporating technology in more subtle, practical ways. A simple Bluetooth speaker for music or a well-placed charging station for your devices can add convenience without overwhelming the space. 3. Floating cabinets and handle-less vanities. They look sleek and modern, giving bathrooms a clean, minimalist appearance. But as someone who's lived with both, I can tell you that they're not always as practical as they seem. I once installed a beautiful floating vanity in my master bathroom. It looked amazing until I actually started using it. The lack of storage space was a real issue. I found myself constantly struggling to find places for all my bathroom essentials. Plus, without handles, the smooth surfaces were prone to fingerprints and watermarks, requiring constant cleaning to maintain that pristine look. Handle-less designs can also be a challenge for those with mobility issues or arthritis. I learned this when my grandmother came to visit. She struggled to open the drawers and cabinets, which made me realize that sometimes practicality should trump aesthetics. If you love the look of floating vanities, consider opting for a semi-floating design that still provides some floor-based storage. And when it comes to handles, there are plenty of sleek, minimalist options that won't detract from a clean look but will make your bathroom more user-friendly for everyone. 4. Slippery, glossy floor tiles. Glossy floor tiles can look stunning in bathroom design photos. They reflect light beautifully and can make a space feel larger and more luxurious. But in real life, they can be a real headache, or worse, a real hazard. I learned this lesson the hard way when I installed high-gloss porcelain tiles in my shower. They looked amazing when dry, but as soon as they got wet, it was like trying to walk on an ice rink. I can't tell you how many times I nearly slipped, especially when stepping out of the shower. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I keep my home tidy" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 5. Excessive patterns and textures. I love a good pattern as much as the next person. In fact, I once went through a phase where I was obsessed with bold geometric tiles. I decided to use them for both the floor and one full wall in my bathroom. The result is a space that felt busy, chaotic, and gave me a headache every time I walked in. While patterns and textures can add interest and depth to a bathroom, going overboard can quickly overwhelm the space. This is especially true in smaller bathrooms, where too much visual stimulation can make the room feel cramped and cluttered. 6. Heavy use of dark wood finishes. Dark wood can add a sense of luxury and warmth to a bathroom. I remember once I saw in a design magazine that featured rich dark wood vanities and shelving. It looked so elegant that I decided to recreate the look in my own bathroom. My bathroom, which wasn't particularly large to begin with, suddenly felt like a tiny dark box. The dark wood absorbed light instead of reflecting it, making the space feel smaller and more closed in. While dark wood can be beautiful, it's important to consider the size and natural light of your bathroom before committing to this look. In smaller or darker bathrooms, lighter wood tones or painted finishes might be a better choice to keep the space feeling open and airy. 7. Overly ornate fixtures. The problem with overly ornate fixtures is that they tend to reflect very specific design trends. While they might look stunning in the moment, they can quickly become dated as styles change. They can also be more difficult to clean, with all those nooks and crannies collecting dust and soap scum. I've learned that when it comes to fixtures, simpler is often better. Clean lines and classic shapes tend to stand the test of time better than more elaborate designs. Plus, they're usually easier to maintain, which is a big plus in a high-use area like a bathroom. This doesn't mean your fixtures have to be boring. There are plenty of beautiful, timeless designs that can add interest to your bathroom without going over the top. 8. Neglecting natural light. I once lived in an apartment with a bathroom that had no windows. Let me tell you, it was not a pleasant experience. The lack of natural light made the space feel gloomy, no matter how I tried to brighten it up with artificial lighting. Natural light is crucial in creating a welcoming, inviting bathroom environment. It not only makes the space feel larger and more open, but also provides better lighting for tasks like applying makeup or shaving. If you're renovating or building a new bathroom, don't underestimate the importance of windows or skylights. Even a small window can make a big difference in the feel of the space. If adding a window isn't an option, consider a solar tube or light pipe, which can bring natural light into windowless spaces. For existing bathrooms with limited natural light, there are still ways to brighten things up. Light-colored paint, strategically placed mirrors, and layered artificial lighting can all help create a brighter, more inviting atmosphere. There you have it. 8 bathroom trends to avoid for a timeless look. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.